Before we get going, we need to know your name. Click on your name if you see it on the leaf. If you don't see it, type it in using your keyboard. When you're done, hit go. Ant Island. Hello! You caught us in the middle of preparations for our first Harvest Festival without the grasshoppers. I'm working on an invention, a gift for Princess Ada, so I mind if I...
Flip! I just heard that the grasshoppers are planning on crashing the Harvest Festival. What do we do?
Oh, no! Maybe I can turn this invention into something to kick these grasshoppers out of town when they show up.
Yeah!
I'll need your help. As long as you're going to visit Ant Island in the city, maybe you can pick up the things I'll need to modify my invention. Here, you can carry things in this neat backpack. Here's what I need you to find. A flower, a feather, a mushroom, a playing card, a thimble, and a button. I also threw in a handy map. Click here to jump quickly to a place in Ant Island or the city. I threw in a camera, too. Click on it, then click on a bug to take a picture. You can even save them in your photo album. Am I a good host or what? Click on the Quit Dewdrop if you want to go back to your world.
Oh, Flick, can't I go with our new friend? I won't be any trouble, I promise.
Well, okay, but only Ant Island. You're too young for the city. Francis can help out there. Go ahead.
Goody! I promise I'll only pop in when I know our friend needs me.
Good luck to you both.